Hello, I'm Aziz Torofdar, and I'd like to welcome you to our Computer Science department. As head of Computer Science, I've seen the department go from strength to strength since its inception several years ago. In fact, we were one of the first schools in the UK to introduce computer science before it became compulsory. We're an established computer science department recognized for delivering outstanding computer science teaching. We've been consistently judged to be performing at the highest level according to top performance measures, including ALPS. Our students consistently achieve outstanding A-level computer science grades, and our students have gone on to study computer science at world-renowned institutions including Cambridge University, Oxford University, as well as the Dyson Foundation. We are a team of experienced teachers qualified in computer science, and we're fully committed to helping our students reach their full potential. We enable our students to gain valuable computing and computational thinking skills in order for them to make a valuable contribution to the technological world that we live in.
As part of the computer science A-level, we need to create our own program. So for mine, I've created an optical music recognition software, which essentially transfers a handwritten music score into a digital format that can be published and shared. It does it by using machine learning, and it uses computer vision and machine learning to identify the notes on the page and then transfer it into the digital format. At university, I want to study computer science, and my aim is to go to Cambridge University. And in terms of a future career plan, I love to go into machine learning as I find it really interesting. So hopefully I get the opportunity to do this in the future.
For my NEA, I made like a collaborative flashcard software where many users could create flashcards and sync them between decks and their devices. Most of the complexity in mine came from like the low-level programming I did to set up a client-server network. I'm also applying to the University of Cambridge for computer science, but I'm not exactly sure what I want to study in the future, but something in the field of computer science.
For my project, I'm looking at artificial intelligence. I'm making a software that will allow the user to create neural networks which they can use to do lots of interesting things such as character recognition. In the future, I hope to study computer science at Cambridge University. I'm really interested in looking at computer vision because this leads on to lots of topics I find interesting, such as autonomous cars.
Now let's take a look at the AQA Computer Science course we teach at Ralph Allen School. You will study the course over a 2-year period, at the end of which you will take 2 exams and complete a practical project. It will cover key concepts and some computing mathematics. This course helps you to develop your programming skills. This AQA A-level course will give you progression from GCSE Computer Science. It will help you to move on to study lots of courses at university or get a career in computer science or related field. It's a worthwhile course and valued by top universities. So you will study 3 components. For the first unit, you'll take a computer-based exam to demonstrate your knowledge of algorithms and programming skills. The good thing here is that you are given the outline program to study before the exam, and students benefit from that. The second unit is about computer systems, and this is assessed through a traditional pen and paper exam. And the final unit is a practical project. Let's look at Unit 1 in more detail. So it covers aspects of how computer programs are designed. Some of the key content you will cover includes problem solving using computational thinking and different algorithms. You will build on your knowledge of basic programming constructs, including selection, iteration, as well as methods. You will go on to create efficient and elegant programs, making use of multidimensional arrays and different program design tools. You'll also learn about regular languages such as Backus-Naur form and reverse Polish notation, and Alan Turing's computational theory. As for the second unit, it covers the key concepts of computing and systems architecture. Some of the key content includes computer systems, databases, as well as computer networking. And in addition to that, you also learn functional programming, which is different from object-oriented and procedural programming. You'll use a programming language called Haskell to create programs by applying and composing functions. And probably the most exciting part of the course is the programming project. You get to create software solution using a language or multiple languages of your choice. We will give you the guidance and support, but you really have the control over the software solution that you create. Our students have created some amazing projects over the years. They've created apps. You can actually download an app that's available on the Google Store. They've created games. They've created some really interesting artificial intelligence systems. And last year, a student created a brilliant parents' evening booking system. We've been teaching computer science for almost a decade and have been achieving the ALPS Red Hot rating every year for A-level results. What this means, our department is among the highest performing computer science departments in the UK. We're very proud of our students, and we want our next generation of students to be part of this success. Our students achieve A star to C grades consistently, and I've mentioned this previously, and they've gone on to study computer science at top UK universities and institutions. The list of top institutions where our students go on to study computer science includes Exeter, Southampton, and Oxbridge universities. So to study the AQA A-level computer science course at Ralph Allen School, you'll need a GCSE grade 6 in computer science and maths. So the A-level computer science course will directly help you to study 22 different degree courses at 24 leading universities. Now, there are more jobs in the tech industry than there are people to do them. Computer science is expected to continue as a major growth industry. Software developer topped the US News and World Report list of 100 top career options for 2020. There are lots of exciting developments happening in the field of computer science as well as other fields. For example, computer science is changing the way biological research is conducted. In here you have some information about UCAS points for A-level computer science. I hope this information will encourage you to consider studying A-level computer science at Ralph Allen School. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. If you are passionate about computer science and would like to study this subject in a department that has much to offer, a department that has a proven track record of outstanding exam success, I would ask you to consider Ralph Allen School. We would love to welcome you to our supportive and friendly computer science department. Thank you.